Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about something that is very important for overall our health and well-being, and that is our food. Did you know that according to Ayurveda, by choosing a right food and eating them in the right way, we can support our body and mind, prevent illness and even heal from the existing illness. So in today's video, I am going to share with you some of the most important Ayurvedic superfoods. These are foods that are not only incredibly nutritious but also has huge benefits according to Ayurveda. By incorporating these foods into our regular diet, you can support your body and mind in countless ways. So let's see what are those foods. First, ghee, which we all have. Now, if you are not familiar with ghee, it is basically butter clarified, which means all the milk solid and water are removed. Ghee is awesome because it is super easy to digest. Even if you are lactose intolerant, ghee has got some amazing benefits too. Ghee is great for your gut health because it is loaded with butyric acid and it is also packed with vitamin A. In Ayurveda, ghee is thought to help improve digestion, lubricate your alimentary canal, boost your immune system, and give you some serious skin and hair goals. Make sure you consume a spoon of ghee every day, but not more than a spoon. Next, figs, which we have. They are actually very easy to find at your local grocer and they are packed with some serious nutrition. They are high in fiber, calcium and potassium, which are all essential for good bone health. In Ayurveda, figs are thought to help in digestion, give you a little immune boost. Now, the third is moong beans. You can use moong beans in soups, stews, salads and more. They are loaded with protein, fiber and antioxidants, which make them great for digestion and reducing inflammation in the body. In Ayurveda, moong beans are thought to help in weight loss and even help cooling down your body in the hot summer day. Another important food is turmeric. Now, turmeric has been part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. This bright yellow spice loaded with curcumin, which has some serious anti-inflammatory property. And in Ayurveda, turmeric is thought to help in digestion, give you an immune boost and keep your skin healthy. Next, we have gooseberries or amla. These little green berries are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for immune health, and they have got some anti-inflammatory properties. In Ayurveda, gooseberries are thought to help in digestion, boost your immune system, and keep your hair and skin look healthy. Now, another thing would be banana. You might be thinking that bananas are just a basic fruit. What is so special about it? In Ayurveda, bananas are actually considered as a superfood because they are loaded with fiber, potassium and vitamin B6 and C. They are great for digestion and they are also thought to help in sleep, reduce stress and anxiety and keep your skin looking healthy and bright. Lastly, quinoa, which is a superfood which is getting more popularity in the Western world. It is high in protein, fiber and minerals like iron and magnesium. In Ayurveda, quinoa is believed to balance all the three doshas and it is a great alternative to a traditional grains like rice and wheat. So, these are some amazing Ayurvedic superfood. And these foods definitely you should use in your diet as soon as possible. It can really help you keep free from all kinds of diseases which are on rise in modern time. Add these foods in your diet plan and stay healthy and happy. Namaskar.